Hey traders, I'm going to show you how to use the BF Power Scanner. The BF Power Scanner is always used in conjunction with 1 Minute Slam, and we always use ECC 11 for our bumpers. So what BF Power is going to do, it's going to show you when your EMAs are crossing, and it's going to give you an alert. These EMAs are designed to give you the most movement. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. I like to use it on the higher time frames because when you catch it, let's say on the 5 minute time frame, you're really going to be able to hold a trade in Forex or futures and go the distance. So, what it's showing you is the market structure. When the market pushes up to this area, and the EMA goes to the top, the purple EMA, the market is going to buy. Okay. And you can literally get in on the alert, or you can see when it's crossing and you can get in and buy. Okay. If you're trading futures, you're going to have your set dollar amount. If you're trading Forex, you're going to choose your TP based on your proper risk management for your pips or your daily compounding. Okay. When the colors of your candle begin to change and they start to come back down, well, you know the market is going to change. So it's going to be really, really important for you to go ahead and get out of your trade. But again, like I said, I love these EMAs because it's going to give you the alert. Look at this one here for the sale on the 5 minute chart. Those of you who are looking to hold, it's going to give you that alert. And when you get that alert, you can hold it. Now, if you really want to go the distance, if it wicks the EMA, don't worry about that. It's only when it starts to go inside of the EMA that you want to go ahead and take your profit. Our VIP alerts are set for you to get these alerts on the 5 minute chart so that you can practice your hold. Our focus for this next quarter, April, May, and June, is for you to master the skill. What do we want you to master? We want you to master market structure when the candles are starting to create flat bottoms and flat tops and push the market up so that you know, okay, it's pushing, it's getting ready to buy. So that is how you're going to use the scanner. So let's go ahead and drop down to the 1 minute chart. The market is consolidating. When your alerts are next to each other, the market is in consolidation. So you're going to go ahead and grab a horizontal line, go to the left, click the line, and then press horizontal line, and then click on your chart, and your horizontal line will be there. Always place your cursor right at the top of the candle. The beautiful thing about Google Chrome is you can now add a split screen. So you will have your scanner in one window and then just right hand click, add tab to new split view. And then here you can go ahead and you can open your futures account, or you can open your Forex account, whatever you're trading, okay? And it's going to give you the split view. Once you have your split view, those of you who are experienced, you should already have your numbers set for how much you're going to trade, the dollar amount and the contract amount. Okay. And so simply I would come here and I would see where the market is. When I get my alert here, and as long as I have my flat bottoms, the scanner is telling me that if I choose, I can get into the market for a buy. Okay. So we typically like to see the alert and a number five candle. If we have the alert and a number five candle, then we're going to go ahead and we can get in the market for the buy. Today is Good Friday, so I don't know if the market is going to let us all the way in. Let's see if we can pull this over a little bit so that we can see if the market is moving right now. It doesn't necessarily say that it's closed, but if it's closed, it's not going to let us in. Okay. And this is on MGC. This is MGC. And then here you have MGC as well. Okay. So it may reject the trade.
Order rejected.
It's rejected because the market is closed. But you see how you can use the scanner. So again, when you get your alert, you're going to go ahead and get in. Long as you have a flat bottom, I always like to wait for candle number five or number six on the momentum. And then you simply can press buy and get in the trade. And that is how you are able to use the pending order scanner. Okay. So one last time. For pending orders and BF Power, I'm sorry, I meant BF Power. For BF Power, you're going to be waiting for these alerts. You want to use it in conjunction with a number 5 candle. You get your alert, you get a number 5 candle. You see how you got an alert here? This is really consolidation when it's going back and forth. So you want to be mindful of that. You really want to see the market break out. But when you get your alert, you're looking for that number 5 candle. If it has already passed, like here, you really want that flat bottom, and then you can go ahead. These are quick scalps on the 1-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart, well, you can hold it a lot longer, okay? So those who want to hold it longer, again, you're looking for that EMA cross, that number 5 candle. We're going to go ahead. We can get in. You can always take it to the EMA. These are always going to be your bumpers, and they're always going to be TPs. So I could get in this trade and I could hold it to the blue EMA. If I want, I can hold it to the orange EMA. I can hold it to the green EMA. Okay, so you can hold it to the EMA and take your profit. When it starts to change colors, I would be very mindful of that. If it wicks the EMA, that is okay. But if it goes inside of the EMA, it is telling you 9 times out of 10, it is eventually going to come down. And then you just simply wait for it to come down. You get your next alert, you wait for your number 5 candle, and then you can hold it all over again. So be mindful to watch your patterns. Again, you will receive alerts inside of the VIP chat for those that have the Black Forex scanners, and it will tell you on the 5-minute chart, it's ready for a short alert or it is ready for a long alert. If you look at this one here, this is beautiful. Your EMA's crossed here. You got your alert. You already had your number 5 candle. As soon as you got this flat top, you could get in and you could hold it. You got a little bit of pullback right here, but that is not going to affect you. It's still pushing and pulling, and it dropped all the way down here. That is a beautiful, beautiful thing. When do I get out of the trade? It is based on your proper risk management and where you're going to stop, put your stop loss, and where you are planning to take your TP for the day, okay? But when you see the colors and they're starting to change and it goes into the EMA, that is a definite reverse in the market. All right, so I hope this has helped you. Please use your BF Power scanner. This quarter, we are in the second quarter. I want you to master the skill. Master the skill, master the skill, master using these scanners, master studying the analysis. Happy trading. You got this.